In front of me is INFINIX Note 60, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. Firstly, open Settings and scroll to click on Display and Brightness. Now scroll again, but this time to choose Screen Refresh Rate, and apply any of those by clicking on the best one for you. Auto Switch, Standard, or High. If you decided to select High, tap on Customize App Refresh Rate. Select any of your apps and decide which refresh rate you want for your app to use. Then hit OK and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!